Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to do basic homework. Firstly, gather all necessary supplies. Set up your study space with everything you need like books, stationery, calculator, etc. And grab snacks, water, or use the restroom before starting to avoid interruptions. Now, all you have to do is eliminate distractions. Turn off your phone or put it on another room. Work in a quiet environment away from TVs or social media. Save distractions like checking your phone for your scheduled breaks. Now, finish one assignment completely before moving to the next. If you feel stuck, switch to another task, but leave the time to revisit challenging parts. Now, just take a break for 5 to 10 minutes every hour to refresh your mind and stick to your schedule and avoid letting breaks stretch too long. Just use distractions like social media as rewards for finishing tasks, not during your study time. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.